So how did you get started in the gym floors?
Well, it's a long history, because I was 17 years when I come to this beautiful country, and I started working with a company. It does gym floors. So we used to travel on the whole country because we do Cracker Barrels in restaurants.
Right.
So there's when I started. I was 17 years old when I started doing gym floors, installing, resanding, and all that, and lines and all that.
Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today I'm joined by Jorge from Carolina Wood Floor LLC, and Jorge came up to get his gym floor equipment repaired, and gives us an opportunity to talk to him with regard to the gym floor industry, equipment, things of that nature. You can see behind us we're getting geared up for the gym floor season, and so is Jorge. So Jorge, where are you from?
I'm from North Carolina, Canton.
Canton?
Yes, sir.
And what area is Canton in Carolina?
Like Asheville.
Asheville?
Yeah.
Okay.
Part to Waynesville, Tennessee,
Okay. And then what sort of equipment are you running currently?
We're running double Americans with Rider and Galaxies for slick.
So the BD12s?
Yeah, the BD12.
And then the Clark American 12s?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And how many setups do you typically run?
We run 2 sets.
Okay.
And a single Galaxy with a single Rider.
Okay. And then as far as other equipment like vacuums and edgers and buffers?
Yeah, we use the Super 7 edger with the vacuum, and buffers. We use the clear buffer, 16 inches, and we use the screens, reheat,
Got it. So when you decided to get your equipment repaired, what caught my eye was where you came from and how far you came. So why did you come to City Floor Supply?
Oh, I come here because City Supply, they treat me good. So I got my equipment repaired right away when I show up. I'm driving 10, 11 hours from home.
Right.
So I love this store, man.
Oh, good.
They're
We
quick.
appreciate that. How far do you typically travel from the Asheville area?
Well, we cover 7 states.
Okay.
Yeah, like South Carolina, all North Carolina, Virginia, Georgia, Alabama, Washington, D.C.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many pieces of equipment did you bring up to be repaired this last couple days?
Well, it's been like 8 sanders, 4 Americans and 3 Galaxies and a Rider. They put a new wheels on the Rider.
Right. Do you have voltage boosters yet?
Yes,
Yeah.
we do. With that, we have 2 boosters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. And as far as the repair work, was it just normal maintenance, or did some of the equipment need some heavy?
Yeah, they down new drums, new bearings, kit level on the wheels, all that. Yeah.
And then when you run the BD12, do you find yourself running the belt, or do you mainly use it on cut paper?
Well, I use both.
You do?
Yeah, I do both. I use from 24 to 100 grit. So it just depends.
Sure.
It just depends how big is the job,
Yep.
Sometimes we just use a single sander because it's a small job, and sometimes you use the double sanders because they are big jobs,
When you're doing a job, are you typically doing it new install? Are you doing sand and finish? Or are you doing paint, everything, lines?
No, I just do the resanding on old schools, but sometimes we do new constructions. Like we just down Virginia Tech last week.
Okay.
And there was 42,000 feet.
Right.
Yeah, brand new floor.
Brand new floor.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That's excellent.
Yeah.
And what types of products would you use if you're doing lines, game lines, the machines for taping, paint, sealers, finish, that kind
Well,
of thing?
when I do any resanding or new floors, I just use the Bona sealer. Just depends, it can be water based or oil based, you know. And we use a Bona paint, and then I use reheat. You know, that's the best products
Right.
for me, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, anybody can use different kind of paper, you know, but
sure.
the best for me, it's the reheat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when you normally order like parts and supplies, do you do it on the website or do you do it, you call in?
I call.
Okay.
Yeah, most of the time I call for parts. Yeah.
So are you seeing any specific new kind of trends or new equipment?
Well,
new ways of doing a gym floor?
No, to be honest, I saw a couple new Galaxies in here, but I don't know if that's the new style or what, you know.
Yeah.
But we like to try it.
Yeah. Very good. So how long does it typically take you, and what's your average gym size? Like, I know that the Virginia Tech one you said was 40,000 feet. Not all the jobs are 40,000 feet.
Yeah.
What's your typical?
Normally, resanding on 10,000 feet, we're looking at a couple days or day and a half.
Okay.
With 5 sanders.
5 sanders.
Yeah.
So you're looking at 2 hookups?
Yeah, 2 hookups and
carts?
1. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
and
that's
then
4, 2 on each?
Yeah, 2 in each. Yeah.
And then a
Double.
walk?
Yeah, double. No. A rider with a single. Yeah, single sander with a rider. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
then,
like 10,000 feet, 12,000 feet, 14,000 feet, let's say 3 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's what grip progression typically?
We'll use 24s, 36, 60s, and 100s, and 120
Okay.
screen.
So that's
Yeah, from high to low.
Right.
Yeah.
How did you hear about City Floor?
Well, I got a friend in Charlotte, and he recommended me with you guys because he been dealing with this company for a while. So he recommended me, and I called the office, and they take care of me, you know.
Right.
Yeah.
What project would you say that you're most proud of, like that you think came out the best? If people were to call you up and say, "Hey, give me some references," what job would you point them to?
Well, the YMCA in Nashville, to be honest, they've been recommending me, you know, because it's my area. So I just reinstalled one, and I did the whole thing from the ground up. So I've been having a lot of phone calls from there on.
Very
Yeah,
good.
'cause
Yeah,
we
that'll
did a
get
good
you
job.
Local people.
Yeah,
for
local
sure.
people. Yeah.
Yeah, that will get a lot of different customers.
Yes, sir.
Seeing that work for sure.
Yep.
Very good. Well, want to thank Jorge for joining us today. Again, if you have any questions with regard to gym floor products, equipment, sundry items, finishes, we are in the season, fixing machines, shipping out skids of finish and materials. You can give us a call at 800-737-1786 or go to our website at cityfloorsupply.com. And for sure, get in touch with Jorge, particularly if you're in the Carolina area, Carolina Wood Floor LLC. And what's your phone number?
828-329-0010.
Excellent. Jorge, I really appreciate you being
Sure.
with us today.
Thank you.
And for taking the time to do this.
No, thank you.